All right, guys, this thing has survived another crash. So I've moved from the NX6 to my DX9, and I went through and custom program the forward programming instead of the profile that it comes with. And I've got the gains adjustable. So hopefully that'll do it. Let's see if that's about where it needs to be. Yeah, that'll work. All right, transmitter's on. Plane is plugged up. More pieces falling off of it still. Got the double dances, so we got the safe. Right alien up, left alien up, elevator down, rudder left, rudder right. Safe off, safe on. A little bit of throttle to activate everything. We'll do safe off real quick. Then safe on. We're gonna try it again. Trying it again. Boy, this poor thing. This poor thing. All right, guys, we're gonna try this thing again. Yep, it's gonna ride straight. Taking off.
16.7 volts, 0 amps, 91 Fahrenheit.
Oh, and it flies. Got a bunch of nose up. Man, it flies, guys. It flies. The T-28 flies. It flies, it flies, it flies. So, I wonder if it was in the programming or in the NX6. We are flying with the DX9 and not the NX6. But then again, they weren't flying with that same transmitter when they had crashed it also. So, I don't know. But anyways, well, hold on. I don't have the receiver in there that they had. So, The T-28 does fly. That's crazy. This might be my first warbird that I've ever flown.
117 Fahrenheit.
So now we need to put in the speed control or the receiver that came with it, and see if that does something. Aha! And I got it down, and it's still in one piece.